This is the mini body camera. It's a body cam that has a 180-degree lens that rotates around. It gives you up to 180p resolution and also has a color screen on it so that you can preview your video. It gives you the video loop options of 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, and has motion detection as well. Not to mention it has night vision on it, so if it is late night or it's dark, it will capture the night shots as well as the day shots. On the side, there is a power button that fires it up quickly, and you also have navigational buttons and buttons to start and stop recording. There is a USB-C port for charging or data transfer, and it does come with the cable. There's also a TF card slot, and it does come with that MicroSD card for you. On the back, there's a clip so you can clip it onto your shirt or your belt. And with that TF card, it's really easy just to pop into your computer and to watch your footage back. And it gives you enough quality with that 1080p to make sure that you capture what you need. So it works great for security, and I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.